No, you can keep as well as just let your trade continue. Don't scare off as of now, Amar. Let it be continue first. No, actually, RECL LTD you should have placed previously, but as of now you shouldn't take place on RECL LTD. If you want, you should have taken the place on RECL LTD at least 1 hour back. As of now, it's not correct. Just let it be. Okay. Okay. Nifty 20 points. Sensex is 43. Actually, today market opened with Nifty 100 plus and Sensex is near to 300. As of it's come to 20 and 80. Again, I am refreshing time and date today, Tuesday, April 29th. Yeah, actually, as of now, I am placing the orders after 10:30 or after 10 only. Before 10, I am not taking any positions because we can't assume that how the market is going. So I am taking the orders after 10 or 10:30. Better, then only we can predict the market. Nickel prices are trading at a 3-month high. You have LME and copper trading at a 10-year high. So it is multi-month, multi-year highs that we have seen for many of these commodities. But the strength comes in from the strength in with the weakness in US dollar, and this is especially after the Fed statement where Powell said. Yeah, that's what I am told you 1 week back. I have been telling to all my clients for 1 week. What had happened 1 year back due to corona, yeah, all market fall down, but this time corona won't affect to the stock market, so no need to worry. In Maharashtra a lot of lockdowns happened. Even though market for last 3 days, if you observe every day 500 600 points raised up. So for corona and the market there is nowhere related, don't worry. China also is looking to tighten credit to put price controls as well. So what we are seeing Ashok, if you want you can go at selling side. Slowly it gives you up to 3 points, it gives you up to 3 points definitely. Also goes on to say that the iron ore rally has been unreasonable. Remember, iron ore prices have gained up by 135% in past 1 year itself. And the association also says that industry should improve rules for the futures market. So there are lots of statements coming in from China which have put pressure onto the metal prices there. But as I said, on the LME in the New York session yesterday, we have seen the metal prices continue to rise. Short-term positions means I can't tell you. Okay, I will check and send you on WhatsApp because I don't want to give you any advices on short term and long term like that. If you want, I can give you the for long term, but short term purpose I won't give actually because I want the short term period. Instead of intraday, short term is better, but I won't give any positions for suggestions for any position on short term. If you want, I can tell you for long term purpose, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years like that. Today my target is 15 points. Yeah, market goes in negative positions. Nifty is taking negative, Sensex also taking in negative mode. But end of the day, again it will go up. So don't trust this fall down. It's temporary. End of the day, definitely it will go up. Yeah, it's a CNBC TV 18 channel, Rahul. While I am trading up to close my all my positions, I am watching continuously CNBC TV 18 channel because you know why. If there is any important update, that CNBC channel immediately make us watch. So without 1 second also late. So continuously we have to observe the CNBC channel for any important update we can know, and based on that we can trade. And one more thing, my suggestion is, you are always asking me which is the better, at what position do I need to trade, like that you are asking the question. My special and my highly advised to all my clients, don't depending on other people strategy and knowledge, because if you want you can take time and learn first, then only try to earn. Without learning, don't try to earn, because if, my strategy will be work out for me, but it won't work out for you. That's the reason, first learn and prepare your own strategy and then try to earn. But don't take advices from other people. Take advice, and based on that you have to explore yourself. That's it. That's what I am trying to say. Take advice from other people, and based on that advice you have to explore yourself. Then if you have confidence on that advice, then only you have to go for it.
Thanks, Pallavi, for that. That is the latest, the final phase of Bengal polling today. The exit polls for 7 p.m. and the final results will be known on the 2nd of May. Need to slip into a very
Gail,
short break, but on the other side,
no, Gail, don't go for it, Gail, today.
on their numbers.
Instead of Gail, better go with ONGC for selling side.
An infrastructure investment trust sponsored by Maharatna VSU Power Grid, PG InvIT, duly rated by ICRA, CARE and CRISIL, now makes an initial public
See, again market goes up. I told you right, at end of the day, definitely market will goes up mostly. Otherwise, it market will end up with a small positive way. But as per my perception, it won't go to the minus maybe. We can't predict the market for last 10 days. That's what I am telling you all. Better to quit with small profits. Today my target is 15 points. Once 15 points is reached, I will close the market. 15 points means 2015, 30k. Once 30k reached, I just want to close the market. Because for last 1 week onwards, um, I didn't invest full. Today only I started full. Because for last 2 days we have been seeing that market weren't affected by the COVID. Due to Corona, I just got feed and invested a little bit. So today onwards I placed complete. I'm expecting today 15 points. Even though yesterday and day before yesterday also I got only 3 to 4 points. Market movement is Sensex and Nifty is maybe higher, but all companies not belongs to the Sensex and Nifty, which are not under Sensex and Nifty family. There is a lot of companies.
And that's how we create an inspiring experience as we move.
As of now, I am in 13 points as of now. 13 points. 13 into 2. I am waiting for 2 more points. Once 15 points reach, I just want to close it. Straight up, it's enough. Yeah, today Power Grid gives me more profit to me.
It's up 12 points, so it's actually come up a little bit. We've got the Bank Nifty, which is flat, and it's also, I mean, from the lows it's come up, but you know they're all off the highs by a very large margin at this point in time. Rima, I think we have the management of Chennai Petroleum joining us now.
Yes, Prashant, we do. We have Rajiv Elavadi of Chennai Petro joining in. The company's clocked in a very strong quarter this time around. Revenues are up 48% on a year-on-year basis. There is an improvement in their margins as well. There's an improvement in demand, crack spreads, and that has resulted in the company reporting a profit of 231 crore versus a loss same time last year. Mr.
In Japan again,
joining in. This
The corona fourth wave, I think it seems started.
Starting in the month of April,
Perhaps
and
it come to India very soon, maybe. So be careful, all of you. Already third wave started in Sri Lanka. I heard somewhere else, and that corona fourth wave, fourth that mutation is started in Japan also. In India, as of now, we are facing the second mutation. We don't know about the third mutation and the fourth mutation. How many mutations that corona will take place, we don't know. Within 5 years, what happened, no one.
And of course, there was some, we were hinted on some inventory gains as well. And internally, we also
So
did a lot
be
of things
careful.
to add some value products.
Better from if there is any
All those factors.
possibility there, work from only, just do it. Don't go outside.
Of course, as you are all aware, the country today is in a different situation.
Nothing important than life.
You can understand
So better to stay at home and do your work from home only.
the state of Tamil Nadu.
If there is no chance, then have to think yourself. Just resign your job and take rest for 5 to 6 months.
For all of us, is still not, the pandemic is still not so.
We have a lot of jobs out there who are providing the work from home. Again, I am refreshing the time and date on com. Time is in 8 to 11.
We are seeing some issues in April, but let us keep our
Today,
fingers crossed for
Thursday.
progress in the month of May. That will be more important. For the time being, April seems to be a little better.
Yes, again market goes down, Nifty 10 minus, Sensex minus 50.
Can you tell us, and then I'll jump back to a couple of questions from the quarter that you reported numbers for. But April so far, how are things?
So many people thinking that stock market is gambling like that. If you are doing gambling in stock market, it's called gambling. But if it is the gambling, in MBA finance, this stock market one subject is there. If it is the gambling, how the government it take place one subject as in MBA finance. And if it is the gambling, Sensex Nifty is are every day they are showing that CNBC channel is there. So don't take the people who are doing gambling in stock market. That kind of people always at any time they will lose. If you can learn the subject, then only you can earn the money in stock market. That's the reason that Europe countries and US, Canada, those people are most of the 40% people are doing their trading as full time. And in India, Maharashtra, Bombay, means Maharashtra, Delhi, Gujarat, the north people who are doing trading for last 5-10 years onwards. As of now, for last 1 year onwards, our South Indian people also been starting this trading because we are knew it about the stock market, how we have to learn and how we have to earn. So that's the reason I am telling you, I am suggesting you first learning the subject in stock market. After learning the subject, just do the paper trading without investing 1 rupee. Do the paper trading for 6 to 9 months. After that, if you have confidence, if you prepare your own strategy once, then only come to the live and do trade on live by investing small profit like 20k, 30k. More than that, don't invest. I am suggesting people, if you have 10 lakh rupees also, even though just invest only 1 to 2 lakh only invest on stock market. With that amount only, just do trading. By investing 2 lakh, if you can earn 10,000 to 10k profit per day, it's good. At least 5k also, it's more enough by investing 2 lakh. If you can earn 5k per day per month, 1 lakh, right? So don't be greedy. With a small profit, we can exit. After 1 year, 2 years, then you will be the greedy.
What is the timeline for getting all the approvals, and what would it take your overall capex?
Tata Power, yeah,
And
Tata
then if
Power
you could
also
just end
okay,
it with,
but
debt
okay.
position, because your debt seems quite high.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Instead of Tata Power, better to go with ONGC. Tata Power was okay, good all, but last 2 days onwards, Tata Power was growing very high, and that is related to power. Power related all industries very going good as of now. So better to, if you want to go with Silencer, then go for ONGC.
And the project, if you can recall.
As of now, we are in 14 points. I need one more point. Once that one point reached, I just want to close the market, and I will be on the WhatsApp in half an hour.
Brinker is equity infusion
14 points as of now.
between
2000 into 14, 28, near to 29. So
That's
once it
how
is
the project would
30k
stand.
reached, I just want to close the market, and I will be in the WhatsApp in half an hour.
And
Guys,
of course,
then
the
if there is any
which is in a-
needed, then I will ping you on WhatsApp.
maybe the gestation period of the project may be around 14 months or 42 months before we come on stream on that project. So during that time, we have to incur to around 2,000 crore as a equity contribution from the side. As far as the debt you have referred, let me take you back a little bit. So this company has invested around 4 to 5,000 crore over last 3-4 years on various capex.
Yeah, Nifty is still 36.92, Sensex 140. This is temporary. Don't touch this.
Because of this pandemic,
Nifty and Sensex never ended with negative way. End of the day, it may goes
trying
in
to
positive way.
reduce our debt as we go along, but the markets have still not moved up.
Even market may end with negative, but this much of negative it won't take place. So don't trust the Sensex and Nifty as of now.
Pandemic, the cracks have slightly turned.
Yeah, 15 point reaches, guys. Okay, I just want to close the market, and I will be on the WhatsApp in half an hour. I just want to close the market. 2000 quantity I placed today. Today I placed 2000 quantity in this, in only one account. Today I take a position in only one account. This is Sharekhan account with 2000 quantity I placed. Okay, guys, I will be on WhatsApp in